Hello everyone, I am Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV MC, giving you a closer look at the aftermarket stator from Electrosport. Alright, so today we're giving you a closer look at this aftermarket stator coming from Electrosport. So these are a really great idea for riders who are planning to add a lot of additional electrical accessories to their motorcycles, and you just want to make sure that you're going to have enough power to run everything. In fact, a great example, we have a rider here at Rocky Mountain who has an XR650L. He wanted to build it up into a really good adventure bike. So he added a lot of electrical accessories to it, and just to make sure that he was going to have enough power, enough juice to run everything, we put one of these in his bike and he has no issues. So it's a really great option again if you're going to be adding electrical accessories. Now to give you some features about the stator itself, so it's triple insulated, which makes it very reliable. What I like about these, they have a 1-year manufacturer warranty. And as you can see, it's going to come with your wire connector, also your sleeve that goes over the wires. Now one question that we get asked a lot when it comes to stators is, well, how much power does it put out? And how much does it put out, say, over your stock stator that you have now? Now, it's kind of a difficult question to answer. See, there's a lot of variables that come into play when you're measuring the output of a stator. Okay, maybe the RPM that you measure it at. Maybe you measure the wattage at max RPM or mid RPM, and your mid-range RPM is really where most riders are going to be the majority of their riding. And also, after you decide where you're going to measure the wattage at what RPM, you got to consider, do you want to measure the power coming right from the stator or the actual usable power that gets to your battery after the regulator rectifier? So there's a lot of things to consider, but what you can rest assured coming from Electrosport is that with this installed, you can expect a 20% increase in power and output coming from this stator. So again, if you're going to be adding electrical accessories to your bike, you just want to have that peace of mind that you're going to have enough power, enough juice to have everything running, well, these will be a really great option. If you guys have any questions, leave them below. When it comes to install, okay, it's not that difficult, shouldn't take you very long. You're not going to need any specialty tools, just some sockets, some pretty basic tools. They will come with instructions, but again, you can call in, chat live online. We're going to help you out if you do have concerns with that. And to pick yours up, it's real simple. Just click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. They are machine specific. So as you're picking yours up, just enter the make, the model, and the year of your bike, and that's going to make sure you get the correct one. If you guys like this product spotlight, you want to see more like it, well, make sure to click and subscribe, and do not forget that orders over $75 ship free. I'm Chase at Rocky Mountain, and we'll see you on the trails.